0, 1.
Welcome everybody to the Monster Destruction World Final. We're gonna get right into things with the first matchup of the Tom Attack bracket. King Kong versus Monster Destruction. Fastest time moves on 596 to start it off here tonight. He gets the same amount of attempts, and if the bracket does, if you guys like the bracket stuff, we'll do it into next season. But the 7 and 10 seed King Kong 7 seed in the standings versus the 10 seeded Monster Destruction, and that was a good pass there. 10.2, a very clean pass for the King Kong. There's his third attempt. There he goes, down the straight, right down center alley. Hits the Jersey barrier a little bit. Comes around to turn, nicely done. He's gonna get a 10.142. A very good pass for King Kong in his last attempt here. Let's see if he can get down into the 9-second range. Make it a little harder for Monster Destruction. He's hitting the walls a little bit there. You don't want that. And checks up there in the turn, and oh my, he's going over. But he will save it. He is okay. The truck's a little damaged up though, but his fastest time is a 10.142, so a very good pass for King Kong. And let's see if Monster Destruction can beat him. Now here comes the next truck up, Monster Destruction. It's a 10.142 to move on to the next round to face Grim. He comes around that turn very fast. It's going to be a 10.1.553, so a very good pass, but it's not enough so far to get the lead away, get the King Kong here in the first round. Comes around here now. Comes around the turn, nicely done on the pass. It's going to be a 10.439, a very good pass, but still not enough to get the lead. Here he comes on his third attempt now to beat King Kong. It's got to be really fast. Down the straightaway. And going into the turn. And he hits the jump. This will not beat him, as that is very disappointing. As he gets one more attempt to see if he can beat King Kong. He is looking very good so far. Goes a little deep in the turn, and it's going to be a 10.306. So I'm guessing he did not beat him. And his fastest time is a 10.306. So he has not beaten King Kong here tonight, folks. King Kong will move on to the next round. Next truck up is going to be Marvelous in the bracket. He will take on King Crunch here. As Marvelous goes around the turn nicely. And he's really going in tight, and he is struggling good past the line here. It's 10.595, so it's pretty good so far, but he's got to get the time swindled down here. Make less breathing room for King Crunch to beat. Comes here now. Round to turn, flying. Oh! Oh no! Marvelous goes over. It's not gonna happen. Marvelous is gonna DNQ. Or DNF, sorry. He will not finish. He will not move on to the race to the Time Attack bracket. So a tough break for Marvelous here tonight. So now here's King Crunch. Now he's gonna have to pass here in order just to move on, and he just hits the wall. He wants to get a good pass here. the DNF did not finish the runs he needed. Here he comes around now. Around the turns, and he's struggling. Comes around the turn nicely, and it's going to be at 11.120. Anything above slower than a 10.5 is you won't be qualified for the choice in the next round. Here he comes. He's flying around these turns here. It's going to be a 10.671. Nice time. As we guarantee he knows he's moving on to the next round unless something happens here. He flips over and doesn't pass. Here he comes again. Round the turn, it's going to be a 10.679. So King Crunch will move on to the next round. That will do it for the first round of the bracket. The bracket has been updated, and this is what the second round matchups look like. Grim takes on King Kong in the next round. Son of Grim takes on Straight Jacket. Payback takes on the King, and Crazy Bull takes on King Crunch. Here we go. We got some round 2 action. Grim up first here in round 2 as he takes on King Kong. Time attack. He's got to lay down a good time here. Comes around the turn nicely, and it's going to be a 10.319. Very smooth around the turn time as Grim doubled down here in Jacksonville a long time. Last time out. He's doing nicely here in Las Vegas. Coming around to chicane. And he's going to get a 10.451. This track is really fast. Really high action. It's going to be a very fast course. It all depends on the wind shift and everything. But anyways, let's get back into it. He's coming around the chicane now nicely. And he's around the turn very fast. A 10.091, the fastest time of the night. The fastest time of the night as Grim lays down a blistering time. Here he comes around the turn. Nicely done. And he misses the turn, but he's going to go over the freestyle lane and hits it. And he did his attempt, so it hit a 10.0. A very fast time for Grim, and it's going to be hard for King Kong to beat it. Next round. Here he goes. Here comes King Kong with his attempt to see if he can beat Grim here tonight. Grim has been looking good in racings lately, and it's... Oh my god! What an upset! King Kong has just beaten Grim! And he's just now going to beat him. He's just got to now have to be perfect throughout the 3 times. What a run! King Kong has just eliminated the points champion. This is insane. And another terrible roll, but he gets past. And run. And here he goes, his 3rd attempt. It's off the line nicely. The chicane nicely. And once again, he had 2 times below 10.9. Wow. He is the truck to look for tonight. He is the truck to watch now with the fastest time of the night. Wow. just an amazing run from King Kong, and he moves on to the semifinals. Next matchup is going to be Son of Grim versus Straight Jacket. As Son of Grim goes into the left lane, he's flying down this track here. And he hits the freestyle obstacle, he washes out a lot. It's going to be an 11.15105. Very good time there though from Son of Grim. Right now though, it's not really good. It's trying to get who goes first for set a tone against, and it's a 10.181. Nice time there from Son of Grim. Here he comes with his third attempt now. And put down a blistering time. And he's hard. It's hard to get past those things with that much horsepower, he says. But he has gotten through it to 10.276. And here comes his final attempt. And oh my, he hits in the chicane. Trying to get turned around here. It's not going to be a very fast time for the final attempt. And he's going to fly across the finish line with 361, sorry. His fastest time is going to be at 10.181, so Straight Jacket has a chance. And now here comes Straight Jacket. He's got to beat a 10.181 as he's flying around the turns. And look! No way. A 9.959. Fastest time of the night. He is going to be moving on if he makes good passes throughout. He is going to get lane choice 2 against King Kong as well. Wow. What a run. And he's gonna, it's all about speed going into the turn. If you have too much, you're gonna get, it's not gonna be good. And he gets off to these good starts off the line. And another fast time, a 9.922 is the fastest time from Straight Jacket so far. Wow. And he's been getting up to these good starts here. And, oh no, okay, he's okay. He's not gonna get his 9-second time, but he is going to get. So the Boston Grim family is out. And Straight Jacket moves on to the next round. Next matchup is going to be the King versus Payback. Payback is going to go first. He's in the left lane here tonight. And this might be a good time. 10.172. They're going to have to... The big competitor here tonight is King Kong and Straight Jacket. Now here comes Payback again. Off the line, and he is not looking on. Trying to get out of the chicane quick. This ain't gonna be a fast time at all. Hitting the wall of the chicane really hurts your chances at winning. And it puts him down drastically. Here comes his second attempt. Or third attempt, sorry, and he hits the chicane again. And wow, he is struggling here just to find a way. As he is now on his last attempt. He's got to put down a good pass here. And he just did fastest time of the night. Fastest time. A 9.835, the fastest time from Payback. Wow. Payback. 9.835, fastest time of the night, and Payback just blistered through that track, and it gives the King a hard time to beat. And now here comes the King to see if he can beat Payback's time. Comes around the turn nicely, and it's a 10.0. Really fast, but it ain't fast enough to beat Payback. And now here he comes with his second attempt now. Through the chicane. No, I thought he was coming through the chicane nicely. And seems like he is struggling. And what a save though, right off the bat. And now semi-finals. He has a chance to go to the semi, but he has to beat Payback's time, which is very fast. And he was so close. A 10.009. Very fast again. These times have been getting faster and faster throughout. And he is not doing it. The King is eliminated. The King. The final time for the King. 0.009. So Payback will move on to the next round. Next truck up, or next race bracket matchup is Crazy Bull versus King Crunch. Crazy Bull's coming out first. He's coming around the chicane very fast. Oh, flips a freestyle obstacle. And he's going there, boy. Wow. Crazy Bull. Tough. Slow start here, though. Yeah, his second attempt. Here he comes through the chicane, now down straight away. You have to be quick around these turns at a 9.941. Again, these turns are hitting the 9-second mark. And they are getting faster and faster by the second, which is amazing to see. And he is not going to get a good time here, though. Nice. And here he comes with his third attempt. Nice through Thunder Alley. Float down a lot, though. And, oh no, is he going over? No, he saves it. He's going to try to get back with this. Nice. No. Time is to beat now from Crazy Bull from King Crunch to beat. It's a 9.941. So that is the time to beat. On to the next round. And now here is King Crunch up now. He's gotta beat Crazy Bull's time. The 9.941 on to the next round. And it's gonna be a 10.098. And it's not looking good so far. For King Crunch. He's coming around the chicane nicely. Nice round turns. He's gonna get a 10.105. Very another good time. He's getting slower. It's not what he wants. And he's come through the chicane nicely. And it's a 9.215. He will take the win here in this round if he can get a good pass on his last attempt. And this is the truck to look out for. In 26, and oh my! And King Crunch moves on with a 9.925. Nicely done from King Crunch, and he will move on to the next round. So we had a couple of upsets here today. Crazy Bull gets upset by King Crunch. Grim gets upset by King Kong. And Son of Grim gets upset by Straight Jacket. And Payback will move on to the next round after defeating the King. As now, here's the semifinal matchups. King Kong versus Straight Jacket. Payback versus King Crunch in the semifinals. Next matchup is going to be King Kong. Straight Jacket. King Kong gets to go first. He's in the left lane. He's nice through the chicane. Nice around the turns at the 9.479. And that is the second fastest time of the night. What a pass from King Kong. Wow. But he crashed it, but it's going to be a hard to beat for King Kong when he put up there. Here he goes, his third attempt, put up a blistering run. He almost hit the freestyle obstacle. And he's going to get a 10.060. And then nicely done time for King Kong. His final attempt here to make something spectacular. Nice through the chicane. And he's gonna get a 10.110. No 7.9, the fastest time of the night. And here comes the truck that's trying to beat King Kong's time. He's really struggling to beat King Kong. He's also in the left lane, and oh no! Straight Jacket goes over. King Kong will move on to the next round. Not even any competition. Disappointing ending to the bracket. Straight Jacket was getting so far. And that's just a tough break for Straight Jacket. And next matchup is going to be Payback versus King. Payback will go first here in this matchup. Goes through the chicane nicely. Up on two wheels. A 10.020. Nicely done on the time. He is needing out of the flat bracket though a lot. Here comes the second attempt. He's around the chicane now. Nicely done. Oh no. And he finishes the time. 11.960. Beautiful build there, whatever happened would have been done. And now Payback on his third attempt. Nice through the chicane. Nicely done. And it's a 9.967. No memes in the comments. But what a run. Can he get a better time than that? Nice through the chicane, nice through the straightaway. And no! Tough break for Payback. Payback is not kidding all the time. DNF for him. And it just means now King Crunch just has to make a good pass. He's got to make 4 great passes to move on to the finals against King Kong, and then we will crown the first time attack world champion as King Crunch gets through the line very fast time of 9.769. So he would have won anyways against Payback if he didn't flip. Here comes the second attempt. Gets off the line nicely. Here he comes around the turn. Nicely done. It's going to be a 9.725. Very fast for King Crunch. In his semi-final match. And into the second to last run. And he gets off to another good start. King Crunch. Looks to be a man on a mission, has just been consistent through his times, and it's going to be hard to decide a winner here tonight. His time has just been in the 9-second range of trying, and it's going to, and like, none of his time dropped by time to 10.1. Like, his times were absolutely insane. And we will see you in the final. I knew anything was possible, so here how we got here. Grim, King Kong beats Monster Destruction in the first round. King Crunch beats Marvelous in the first round. King Kong beats Grim in the first round. King Crunch beats Crazy Bull in the first round. Payback beats the King in the first round, and Straight Jacket beats Son of Grim in the second round. Second rounds. King Kong beats Straight Jacket in the semis, and King Crunch beats Payback in the semis, which will lead up to King Kong versus King Crunch. Who will win it? We will see you in a second. And now here comes the final matchup. King Kong versus King Crunch. King Kong first. Here he comes around the turn. Not really good. He slides out a lot. At the 10.423, he is going to have to get a lot faster in the turns. Here he goes with his second attempt. He is struggling here. Saves it. Nicely done. It's going to be a very slow time at the 13.532. Here he comes with his third attempt. And here he goes. Nice off the line. And he is just all over the place. King Kong struggling. And now he has one more attempt in order to get a good time. Nice through the chicane. And it's a 9.634. As fast as time is. 9.634, the fastest time of the night. As now King Crunch will have to see if he can beat him. King Crunch. His only hope now is to get below 9 seconds. As King Kong has been so consistent. King Crunch has been also so consistent. But that ain't consistent enough for him. As it's a 10.694. He has 3 more attempts left. to beat King Kong. Here he goes. Doing the straightaway down the chicane. Nice around the turn. Not enough yet. Not enough yet. King Kong. Getting ready to celebrate. And King Crunch misses the turn. And he's not going to get a good time there. But his final attempt, that attempt really didn't count. Comes around the turn and it's not going to happen. It looks like King Kong might have won it. King Kong is the Time Attack World Champion. And we will see how the bracket played out through here. Here is the final bracket at the end, as King Kong makes it through the first round all the way to the finals to beat King Crunch. King Crunch had a good run as he ended up in second. Nicely done. King Kong is your Time Attack World Champion, as I will be posting this video hopefully soon. And I will see you guys for freestyle in the next one. Peace.